Always wanted a pond, but never been sure where to start? Easily add the sights and sounds of water to your outdoor oasis with the smartpond Ultimate Pond Kit. We've curated the ultimate collection of our top products, giving you everything you need to start your dream water feature, all in one box. Included is our durable 7 by 10 foot pond liner to set the foundation, and our reliable 300-gallon per hour pump to circulate the water. The pump is housed in a protective filter box with filter pads and bio balls that clean the water. Also included is a nozzle kit assembly, so you can add a fountain to decorate and aerate the water. Our adorable weatherproof turtle spitter and roll of half-inch tubing add additional charm and aeration to the pond. The finishing touch? Our set of 6 mini pond LED lights, so you can enjoy your pond at night too. This weekend, create your new pond the smart way with the Smart Pond Ultimate Pond Kit.